Hello you guys, I'm back with another video. This is Mon'a, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I record at home. This is for beginners, for people who are just starting out like me, because you know I'm used to going to other people's studio, but doing it for myself, it's like, okay, I need something that I can work with for now. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So let's get into this video. So starting off, you want to make sure you have all your necessary equipment that I have right now. For my mic, I have the Scarlett 2-in-2 3rd generation, and I actually got it off a OfferUp, so I got it a little bit cheaper from what the original price is. So it was under $100, I believe, and it comes with the audio interface, your headphones, and your mic, and that looks like this. So here are the headphones, and you have the audio interface, and then it comes with the mic. The stand doesn't come with the kit, but when I bought it off OfferUp, it came with it, so I kind of got a deal. This is not like a super pricey microphone, but it works for me for now. So yeah, I have my stand, and then it comes with the pop filter as well, which doesn't come with the kit either. So the stand and the pop filter come separate, but the mic and the cords and the headphones and the audio interface all come together. And for this specific video, it'll be for people who actually own MacBooks, because I actually record on GarageBand. So if you don't have GarageBand, this may benefit you or may not, or you can consider, like I said, this is really for beginners and people who just want to start practicing recording themselves at home. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, so starting off, you want to make sure you have the actual GarageBand app downloaded in your MacBook, and make sure your computer is either plugged up or already charged. And once that's plugged up, you're going to see the lights come on. Once the lights are on, you know you're popping, okay? Then we're going to take our headphone, and you're going to see the headphone logo. You're going to put that right there. There's two sides of this cord. This side is going to go in the actual mic, and then this side is going to go in the audio interface. So we're going to hook this part up to our mic. And as you see, it has two, so it can hook up one or two microphones, or you can hook up like a instrument to this as well. It says 48V here. You want to make sure that's on, and that's going to really crank the volume. And as you see, lights are flashing. Right here is the headphone volume, so you can turn this up or down. Alright, and once everything's plugged up, we are ready to start recording. So when you go into the GarageBand app, you want to go to New Project, and it's going to come to a window and it says Empty Project, and you're going to choose an empty project. It's going to give you 4 different options. You're going to go with the second option in audio, which is, well, the first option in audio. It has software, instrument, audio, and then drummer, but the first option and the second option. And at the bottom, it's going to show your microphone and your audio interface. So on mine, it's going to say the Scarlett 2-in-1 Studio. You know, it's going to show audio 1. And since I'm going to be recording over a beat, I want to have 2 audios. So I'm going to add another, and I'm going to click the plus button just right above where it says audio 1, and I'm going to do the same thing and hit create again, and it's going to have audio 1 and audio 2. And I save all my instrumentals in my iTunes. So I'm going to open up my iTunes, and I'm going to go drag the instrumental that I want to record over to audio 1. Once that's dragged over, boom, we're almost ready to record. Now, if you look at the whole screen, you're going to look up at the top menu, and you're going to see 2 purple buttons to the right there's a triangle, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna click on the triangle. I do that because it makes like this clicking sound that I don't need while I'm recording, so I turn that off. But the 1, 2, 3, 4 gives you time to get to the microphone if you're recording for yourself. So it's like a timer, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it starts recording after that, and that helps with those who are recording for themselves. So I always keep that on. And once you feel like you're ready to start recording, you can simply go over up to the red record button and you click it. Make sure you're at your microphone and you have your headphones on. You can set the volume for your headphones or for the instrumental for as loud as you want, if you want to hear the instrumental higher or you want to hear your vocals higher. And you start recording. And once you stop recording, you can just simply hit the stop button. And once you want to hear what you recorded, you just hit the play button. And that's super easy. This is a super easy way to record for yourself if you are a beginner, and I highly recommend this. If you have a MacBook, if you don't have a MacBook, if you're thinking about getting a MacBook, try with GarageBand at first, then you can upgrade. That's what I plan on doing, upgrading to a better software program. But right now I'm just having fun and practicing. So yeah, I hope this helped someone out there. And there are ways to master and do different things and to make the audio sound a little better on here. It's not the best quality. I haven't really played around with it yet, but if you look at the bottom, you can see track master, compare, and you see different compressors, EQ levels that you can play with. You can send these songs to different engineers to make them sound better as well. Yeah, you guys, this was just a simple tutorial on how I record at home. Eventually I want to upgrade my equipment and come with better sound, better quality, but this is just for beginners out there like me that just want to get started and want to, you know, practice. You know, it's nothing wrong with practicing and listening back on music and recording and listening to beats and practicing freestyling. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to put out a whole series just about recording, how I come up with different songs, how I come up with hooks, how I, you know, just how I get inspired to write songs. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And yeah, here is a song that I recorded recently on GarageBand. I gotta come with something different, you know, like a different type of style. Alright, here I go. You see, I'm coming with a different type of style that can't be touched, always looking for something new because it's never too much. And if you know you poppin', don't shrink yourself, you should do it for you and nobody else. I said I come through and I really like the beat up. They see me on TV, but no, I ain't Moesha. Meet the beat, the mic, we all having the meeting. I'm really cut for this, like I shred it into pieces and I make it better, cause I don't really need it. I'm in my own lane, cause I don't like competing, but we can boss up together. You know, you could plan a pretty picnic, but can't predict the weather.